Hey Rick, this is Josh from Josh and Danny SEO. I'm shooting over that video about how you can improve your online presence. So just taking a look at your website, you have a great header along with a great click to call for those quick conversions, as well as the header with all of your different services and what you do, which is awesome. And then just going through your website, you have pretty much everything. It goes into a little bit of explaining how or your different services and how you do your different services and what you can expect, as well as, of course, you have name, number, what you're looking for, what you need, as well as just to let them contact you through email. And then you have your blog, which is awesome to have. It's always good to have a blog to give out information so people can see you care. So going through, not seeing a ton of content. I see around 500 words tops explaining exactly what you do and the different content on your site or front page. Now, what Google is truly looking for on your front page is 1,500 to 2,000 words with keywords mixed in. Now, what a keyword is those buyer intent words that people are putting in to search for the services you provide. So let's take a look behind the scenes and see what's going on with your website and see how you're doing. So the way we do that is with a system called Ahrefs that allows us to take a look behind the curtains. So what Google fully ranks you for is your UR rating and your DR rating. So your UR rating is your strength rating. That's how strong your website is in Google's eyes. And your DR rating is how trustworthy your website is so that they can rank you. Now, the way you build that up is through backlinks. Now, what a backlink is any link from another website that leads back to yours. Now, not all backlinks are created equal. For example, a backlink from Wikipedia leading to your site would be an awful link because that's extremely spammy. However, a backlink from a distinguished flooring blog would be an awesome backlink because that's relevant content to what you offer to services you provide. Now, another thing is those organic keywords, as I said before. Now, let's take a look at what your buyer intent keywords that Google is saying your site provide or your site is going for. So you have the door-to-door flooring, door-to-door floors, which is you. So I'm sure as hell hope you're going to be on the first page for that. And then when we're getting into the nitty-gritty, you have the rug store Austin, flooring store Austin. Flooring Austin, Texas. Those have great volume per month, 300 searches each and 250 per month that people are searching for that. Now, you're on the second page for these keywords. This is why you're only seeing around 5 people coming to your website from that, is because no one really goes to the second page of Google. So that's why you're not seeing as much traffic through that. So let's look at a keyword for Austin, one of those buyer intent keywords that I was talking about. So floor installation, Austin, Texas. First thing that pops up are your ads. So those are the people that are paying per click for to be on the front right when you type it in. So those always great. Next thing, of course, is the GMB, which is the map pack. It's super important to get on this because 30 to 40% of all people stop right here because they'll just pick one. It's usually 3, but we have the ad here as well, so it's 4. They'll pick one of these 4 because that's just the easiest. They're the top 3, so they must be good. And then, of course, you have your organic rankings. So you have your top ranking, which is the Austin Floor Pros. So let's take a look at their website. So they got a lot going on. They have a header pretty much the same as yours with all their different services and what's going on. Their About Us, as well as their different catalogs and how and the different services they provide. So they don't have a ton on their site. As you can see, it's mainly pictures like yours. So their content isn't up to scratch. However, let's take a look behind the scenes and see why they're ranking at the top. So As you can see, their UR rating and DR rating aren't that great. They have a 5 to 2. Their backlinks, they only have 39. They don't have a ton. They don't have a blog like you do. So the blog does help bring in those backlinks because every blog you do sends it back to you. So that does help with your backlinks. They have just straight backlinks from other sites. Now, what they do have really well, though, are their organic keywords, the words that they are ranking for. Now, let's take a look at their keywords. So, of course, Floor Pros, that's them. Floor installation, Austin. Austin flooring installation. Flooring, Austin, Texas. Flooring stores, Austin. All of these have huge volume. And as you can see, because they're on the first page, they're getting 30, 30, 28, 24, 23. They're getting a ton of traffic through that. And as you can see, you were on the second page and you were getting 5s and 2s. So being on the first page, especially in the front position for these dudes, they're getting a ton of traffic through that. So if we're looking to beat them out, essentially it's that content. You do have those backlinks. Of course, you'd want to add more just because you want to get from other referring domains and other places besides blogs or besides your own blogs. So you want to get other backlinks. I would take theirs because they're doing pretty well for Austin Floor Pros, as well as you want that content. You want those 1,500 to 2,000 words so you can rank and put those organic keywords in that you saw them ranking for floor installation Austin, floor installers Austin, Austin floor installers. You want to put those organically through your site in order to start ranking for them and get that traffic that you saw them getting for being on the front page. Now, Rick, I hope you found this helpful. If you did, I'd love some feedback. I'm always looking to improve, as well as you can always reach back out to me. My number is in the email. And you have a blessed rest of your day, and yeah, enjoy.